as a big batty slimmers, as a original yam head, as a broke gal, as a bad gal, yeah, as a TikToker, as a mad gal. I'm just here to say that. So belly full. Alright, so guys, we are going to school. This is episode 3. Alright, you know must I wonder why I have on the shades. Cause, well, what I doing is so cool. What I doing? But you know must I wonder why I have on the shades. Well, this is what your girl looks like. Not giving, right? Hit them crack up and I be water me a drink and me say, you know. Anyway, so today we will be going to a in-person workshop. I don't know me I got advanced settings. So this is the fit. Don't mind the purple socks. I never able to look for a white one. Not fine with this so nobody don't really care about you. Anyways, yeah. So we have on the little fit. Nothing too, nothing. You see me? I'm not know say then now if you know me have clothes and them thing there. Yeah. So we're going to an in-person workshop. I'm not sure if I the right way me I go right now. But me I assume say the right way me I go. Cause I not even look at my GPS, but I must say right way. But yeah. We I do this thing. So I'm all forward that people them something. Yeah, apartheid orientation. So yeah. Cause we did go virtual orientation, so this are the in-person get together from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Okay, I'm better. I like that side of New York. Like, the place is so pretty, bro. Honestly, like, yeah. Reach back for the people in school. Maybe honest, you know, I don't really know exactly what I'm going now. I really don't know what I'm going now. I go over there so and ask questions, and if I'm not over there, you see me?
So it comes faster.
Yeah.
This is my favorite one because different strengths actually get your talents, right? The top 5 things you get, which for me is context, individualization, learner, restorative, and strategic, are talents. Those are things I naturally do. I'm naturally wanting to learn. And I see that in my professional life and my personal life. I saw it in my academic life. But I just let those kind of rock and don't touch them or think about them and be closed-minded. And the first time I read that, I was like, that is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. I am not closed-minded. I'm very open-minded, and I can't believe that this assessment is stupid. I don't care. Whatever domain you have more strengths in, that's your most prominent domain. So mine is strategic thinking. 3 out of my top 5 are in that one.
We got a break. Like my edge is done now, but my ear is not giving. I'm not gonna find the bathroom, dear God. Are they downstairs? Around here, so? Yo. Anyways. I feel like I like it here more. I see more, you know, engaging people, I would say. I don't know. But, yeah. Alright, so I don't know some ruffians in the street. I don't know where my time go. My dead ass no know. My glasses in my bag, but I don't know where the fuck my time gone. Right now, I'm take one bus, right? I 42 bus, you know. And the bus don't bring me where my fear go. So the fucking 42 New Rochelle, bumper clock, man. See fucking, yo. At this point, I'm tired, man. I'm fucking tired. Maybe I'll see if I right place me and go. I'm confused. Me don't even know. But I'm sorry, Jammy yard, you know. But I met some friends and such. I met like 6 persons. They're pretty lit and shit, you know. Yeah, I gotta be talking like this now, you know. But yeah, one of them lives 17 minutes away from me, so that's cool. That's a vibe. Okay. But I don't know if I put on the hat. May I be very honest? Like, it match with the outfit and everything. But, guys, it is September 1st. My birthday is tomorrow. And my bestie is bringing me to the city. I'm a backpacker, you know, say a sleepover thing. Yeah, we are do this thing, you see me? Oh, nah, see me. I have to make you see me. So, if I have one Uber, I go pick me up. And, you see me? You see me? So this is the birthday vlog you bitches been asking for. Come here, say I'm not gonna wear, so I'm never gonna vlog nothing. To be honest. But I be going, so yeah.